In a lively village, a clumsy dreamer stared wide-eyed at a gleaming pearl. It sparkled with opportunity, a promise of adventure. His clever companion leapt with joy, a whirlwind of enthusiasm. Together, they were ready to chase the extraordinary. Suddenly, they soared upwards. The world below shrank away, replaced by a whimsical realm of fluffy clouds and pastel skies. In the Sky Kingdom, a ruler of clouds welcomed them. His voice was a gentle breeze, filled with worry over the missing feather. The mischievous sky pirates, led by a flamboyant captain, schemed and plotted. They wanted the feather of eternity for themselves. With hearts racing, they leapt from cloud to cloud. Each step was a challenge, yet together they danced through the skies. On board, antics ensued as disguise and chaos collided. Laughter erupted, turning trouble into unexpected hilarity. A storm of melodies surrounded them, but their friendship sang louder. They pressed on, trusting each other amidst the turmoil. Just when hope flickered, a cascade of rainbows blocked their path. Danger loomed, yet courage flickered in the air. With a clumsy flourish, the dreamer spun into action. Surprise painted the faces of the pirates. Distraction was his secret weapon. In a flash, the clever sidekick snatched the feather. Light filled the sky. A promise of hope returned to the kingdom. As they floated home, laughter echoed through the night. Magical charms shimmered with memories, their friendship forever sky high.